my dear first class children. Good morning. Welcome to maths class. Continuation of previous class. Pre-number skills. Already I taught you. Before going to numbers, you have to learn all the concepts. I am going to revise. Yesterday I revised big and small. Yes or no? Big and small. Big ball, small ball. Football is big. Cricket ball is small. Elephant is big, rabbit is small. Tall and short. Tall and big and small is depending upon the size of the objects. Tall and short depending upon the height. Depending upon the height. I am tall, you are short. Apartment is tall, house is short. Coconut tree is tall, plant is short. Tall, short. Tall, short. Depending upon the height. Next one, more and less. More and less. More chocolates, less chocolates. More flowers, less flowers. More balloons, less balloons. More balloons, less balloons. Next, that is depending upon the quantity. Yes or no? Number of things. Next one, long and short. Long and short. That is depending upon the length. Long pencil, short pencil. Long pencil, short pencil. Long scale, short scale. Okay. Next, long snake is long, caterpillar is short. Okay. Next one, near and far. Near and far. Blackboard is near. Window is far. Blackboard is near. Door is far. Blackboard is near. Table is far. Okay, Nana? Next one, inside and outside. Inside and outside. In, out. In, out. Children are sitting inside the classroom while classes are going on. Children are playing outside the classroom. We play indoor games inside the house. We play outdoor games outside the house. Okay. Next concept goes to on and under. On, under. On, under. O-N-R, U-N-D-R, under. On and under. On and under. See, you have to imagine this is a table. And here I draw a table lamp. See, ball, table lamp, table. Okay, ball is under the table. Table lamp is on the table. This is a lamp. Now tell me, where is the ball? Yes, under the table. Very good. Where is the table lamp? On the table. Very good. Once again, where is the ball, my dear children? Good. Under the table. Where is the table lamp? On the table. Very good. Table lamp is on the table. Ball is under the table. On, under. On, under. Next one, behind and in front of. Behind and in front of. B-E-H-I-N-D. Behind and I-N-E-F-R-O-N-T. Front. O-F-F. In front of. Behind, in front of. See, blackboard is behind me. Table is in front of me. Children are sitting in front of the teacher. Teacher is standing in front of the children. In front of, behind. In front of, behind. Behind, in front of. Behind, in front of. Okay. Next one goes to top and bottom. Top and bottom. T-O-P top and B-O-T-T-O-M bottom. Top and bottom. Top, bottom. Top, bottom. Top, bottom. Can I show the picture for top and bottom? See, in the textbook I am going to show top and bottom. The bird is top, monkey is bottom. The bird is at the top, monkey is at the bottom. Top, bottom. Top, bottom. See another picture. Top, bottom. Top, bottom. Okay, T-O-P top, B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Top, bottom. The bird is at the top. Monkey is at the bottom. Next one goes to left and right. Left and right. L-E-F-T, left. R-I-G-H-T, right. L-E-F-T, left, and R-I-G-H-T, right. See, look at me. This is right. This is left. When I am going to turning blackboard, this is right side of the blackboard. This is left side of the left side, right side. Left side, right side. Understood? On the road, we are going to walking on the road. We walk always left side of the road. Yes or no? Left side, right side. Left side, right side. Next concept goes to up and down. U-P, up and down. D-O-W-N, down. This is similarly belongs to on and under. Up and down. Up, down. See, this is up. This is down. Up, down. Up, down. Upside, downside. Upwards, downwards. Up, down. U-P, up. D-O-W-N, down. Next concept goes to before. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. A-F-T-R, after. And between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. Before, after, between. Before, after, between. Ball, leaf, kite. Here I am going to draw. See, look at the pictures, Nana. Ball, leaf, kite. Ball is before the leaf. Kite is after the leaf. Leaf is in between ball and kite. This concept goes to, here I am going to draw three things. Those are ball, leaf, kite. Now tell me, where is the leaf? Between. Very good. Where is the ball? Before. Where is the kite? After. Before, front. After, next. Between, middle. Understood? Between. The leaf is in between ball and kite. Middle. The ball is before the leaf, in front of. That means front. Kite is after the leaf. That means next. Okay? This concept belongs to before, after, and between. Ball is before the leaf. Kite is after the leaf. Leaf is in between the ball and kite. Okay? Do you know the shapes? Can I draw some shapes here? You see this. See this. What are these? Tell me. Circle, square, triangle. Now tell me, this is before, this is after, this is between. Now tell me, where is the circle? Before the square. Where is the triangle? After the square. Where is the square? Between. Here, circle's position is before. Triangle's position is after. Square's position is between. Understood the concept? Before, after, between. Circle is before. Triangle is after the square. Square is in between circle and triangle. Okay? Next one goes to above and below. Above and below. A-B-O-V-E. Above and below. Above and below. A-B-O-V-E. Above and B-E-L-O-W. Below. Above, straight, upwards. We can't touch that thing. Below, down. Up, below. The fan is above. The fan is above. The table is below. The fan is above. The table is below. I show you one picture. You have to see that picture. See, Nana. Go, fan above. Table lamp below the fan. Fan is above the table lamp. Table lamp is below the fan. Ball is below the table. Table lamp is on the table. Okay, this is above. Above, below, under, on. Okay, above. The fan is above. Table lamp is below the fan. Above, below. Above, below. Fan is above the table lamp. Table lamp is below the fan. Next one, another concept, up and down. Up and down. Okay, once again I am going to revise. See, on and under. On and under. I show you same picture. See, on and under. Table lamp is on the table. Ball is under the table. Table lamp is on the table. Ball is under the table. Next, behind and in front of. Behind and in front of. Blackboard is behind me. Table is in front of me. Next one, top and bottom. Top and bottom. Bird is top. Monkey is bottom. Next, left and right. Left and right. This is right. This is left. Left, right. Left hand, right hand. Next one, up and down. Up and down. This arrow shows up. This arrow shows downwards. Down, up, down. Before, after, and between. Look at these pictures. Circle is before. Triangle is after. Square is between. Okay. Next one, above and below. Above and below. Fan is above. Table is below. Fan is above. Table is below. All the concepts are completed. You have to learn once again and practice table of 2. Don't forget the table. Okay, Nana? Thank you very much. Bye.